Silver this week started with a strong bullish candle, and this bullish momentum has entered in the mixed zone on the next day, where we can see the fight between the buyers and the sellers with a large candle with a large wick on the upper side, large wick on the lower side, and small candle body. This was indecision on the market between the buyers and the sellers, and we can see the buyers have won because the next day the price continued to rise in value, reaching again higher price levels. Then only on Friday the price has risen back down, and that is also potentially triggered because traders have exited their trades, locking their profits before the weekend to avoid something happening on the weekend and opening with a gap in the opposite direction. Weekly time frame shows us a bullish candle with a large wick on the upper side. Everything still looks bullish because we can see it still continue to rise in value, and this week we had the largest candle compared to these ones. Then we have a monthly time frame which still looks bullish. You can see that here on the market, and we have 2 more weeks until the month closes. Everything still open, but as it looks right now, there is high potential that the price closes as a bullish candle, right like it is right now, but also on the higher price levels. Will the price go up or it will go down? Let's go to the lower time frame to see how the price behaves. Weekly also do not show too much, especially the daily will show much more better picture how the market looks. Based on this one, the Friday is the day when the traders lock their profits. We need to wait until the Monday opens to see how the price will behave. Will it open with a gap in any of the directions, or it will open calmly, and also how the Monday will close. This will be indication for the rest of the week how the price will behave. But what we can see here, we have a bearish candle on the Friday that has been formed, and the price has reached this area, which is a confluence between the buyers and the sellers. We can see these wicks where the price has stopped, and also this area of support where we have these wicks and open and close of these candles. So these are the support levels where the price currently is, and it is potentially that the price will bounce from this area of support, which means continue to rise in value. On the 4-hour time frame, we'll see how the price will behave after the strong sell-off on the Friday. Will the price manage to return back above this area of resistance and support where the price currently is? That means let's wait for the Monday and see how the market opens, but everything still looks bullish. This is only the Friday, which is also sell-off of the traders locking their profits before the weekend starts, protecting their profits before the weekend starts, and protecting them on the opening on a Monday. So let's wait to the Monday. I'm still open to see the price to the higher price levels, but where the price will reverse, will it reverse right where it is currently, or it will drop again to this area of support and then reversing back up, continue to rise in value. This will be much more visible on the 4-hour time frame and 1-hour time frame to see how the price behaves during the day, and what are the signals that are showing where the price could go. Will it make a bearish breakout? That means making a bearish breakout below this area of support, below 51 on the 4-hour time frame, which will indicate further sell-off, or it will rise, return back up, continue to rise in value, making a bullish breakout above this area of resistance around above 52.70, and then rising in value. It's something that we need to watch closely during the day, so feel free to check the premium analysis. The link will be below in the description to receive the updates when there is a bullish or bearish breakouts during the day. That means on the 4-hour time frame and 1-hour time frame to see where the price is heading. That's all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.